What's up guys, Captain Screech from Aruba Bound Charters. Today I'm going to share with you how I like to rig my Ballyhoo trolling rigs for toothy critters. This is the leader material of my preference, 90-pound multi-strand flex wire from AFW. The length of the leader is your own personal preference. If you like short leaders, make it short. If you like them longer, you make it longer. Lures, doesn't really matter. It can be a jet head, could be a chugger, can be a bullet, could be a sea witch. Also a personal preference. Hooks, size is also personal preference. I like to use these smaller 7/0 stainless steel Mustad southern style tuna hooks for trolling my baits that are on top of the water. If I'm trolling a deeper bait, I'll typically use a larger hook like a 9/0 or a 10/0. These are optional chin weights for your ballyhoo. Depending on the size of your ballyhoo, you're going to either go for a small weight for a small ballyhoo, a medium weight or a larger weight for a larger or medium ballyhoo. You're also going to need crimps for your leader material. These crimps are a little oversized for the 90-pound flex wire, but I have my ways around it to keep it from slipping. And you're also going to need your crimping tool so that you can crimp the connection properly, as that you do not lose the fish and or your lure. Alright, let me show you how to rig this up. Alright guys, in order to create your rig, you first need to make a loop in the leader material. As you see, I skipped ahead. First I added a crimp. I'm making this with a chin weight, so I added my chin weight. And now I'm adding the hook with the tip of the hook pointing towards the weight. I'm going to pass the wire back through the crimp, and then I'm going to pass it back again through the crimp, again essentially making two loops. Now once you get the tip of the wire through the crimp, you're going to take the loop where the hook is, pull the second loop tight and make it as small as possible. Then you're going to grab the main line and also tighten it as far down as you want to make it as small and compact as possible. This way you're not going to have anything to foul your hook and or bait or even seaweed and stuff like that. Now when you crimp wire, you do not need to worry about flaring the crimp, so just crimp it down as tight as you want. Make sure you crimp the entire crimp from front to back, and that's pretty much how it's going to look. Here I add my copper wire and then I rig my bait. And then the following clip, guys, is a preview of how I like to rig my baits on this specific rig. Don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.